Now we're going to learn how to navigate through the platform. When you open ROAK, you land on the map overview. This is your starting point every time you log in. On the map, you see a number of icons. Each icon represents one asset. This is an object with a location that holds a specific type of data. We'll dive deeper into the map overview in another video. Now take a look at the left side of the map. There is a narrow white bar, and we call this the feature pane. You can expand it by clicking the blue button at the bottom. The feature pane gives you access to different features in ROAK. Each one presents your data in a unique way and comes with its own set of tools. Even if you collapse it, the feature pane is always there. Just click the button to open it again. The feature you are currently using will be highlighted in orange, but you can easily go to another feature just by clicking on it. A helpful thing to know is that ROAK remembers your asset selection. For example, if I select this well in the map overview and I navigate to the Networks feature, ROAK will automatically show the well that I selected on the map. If I now select another well and go back to the map overview, ROAK will immediately show the new selection. Right above the feature pane, you will find the Home button. In my case, this is the ROAK logo, but this can be a custom logo depending on your setup. Clicking the Home button will always take you back to the map overview. In the top right corner, there are 3 icons. The first icon opens up your language settings. Here you can pick your preferred language. If your language is not listed, feel free to leave a request at support@roak.com. The middle icon lets you show or hide different asset types. For example, wells or boreholes. This is especially useful if you have multiple types of assets on the map. When you turn one off, those assets will disappear both from the map and any other feature you navigate to afterwards. The last button gives you the option to log out or open up your user settings. In this menu, you can change your personal information, enable 2-factor authentication, change your password, or customize ROAK to better fit your preferences.